Hello everyone, welcome to the Lazy Learning. This is RD from this side, and today I will going to present you the EDA exploratory data analysis on the dataset global terrorism. Our main task is, as a security defense analyst, try to find out the hot zone of terrorism. First of all, we have to load the necessary library, which are import pandas as PD, numpy as np, matplotlib.pyplot as plt, seaborn as sns, and this is a magic function matplotlib inline. Pandas is for data frames, numpy for large multidimensional arrays, matplotlib for visualization, and seaborn act as a cover for matplotlib. It's also used for visualization. Second step is loading the dataset. Here you can see that while loading the dataset, an error is occurred, which is UTF-8 codec can't decode byte 0xE9 in position 18, unexpected end of data. Because of some time, our file is not in a proper format or our platform might be unable to decode it. Then this error is occurred. No worries, let's check for its encoding. For this, we are going to use a char-det library, which is a universal character encoding detector. After that, you can clearly see that it gives us the encoding of our dataset, which is ISO-8859-1, and the confidence is 0.73, means 73%. Cool, we found the necessary encoding. Now let's again load the dataset with proper encoding, and yes, it's working. The 135 columns and first 5 rows because of .head function. Okay, now let's check for the data in Modi. For this, first we have to create a checkpoint. Data equals to row data2 dot copy. It saves the current state of our original dataset. And after that, if we type data.info, it gives the information of our dataset. Class pandas.core frame data frame, range index is 18,1691, columns 135, memory is 187.1 plus MBs. And for statistics, data.describe, and here you can see the statistics of the columns: count, mean, standard deviation, max, and other values. And we can clearly conclude that the mean of the country with the crime rate is approximately 132 and total is 18,1691. Now check for any null values or insufficient data columns. For this, we have to type data.isna.sum. .sum function gives us the summation of those null values instead of getting them individually or one by one. For approx date, the summation is 17,000 and 2,452. So many null values. But here a notable thing is that not all the columns are useful for analysis. Some are act as a noise or junk to the dataset. So first we have to unhide those columns which are hidden. For this, we type data.isna, then we take another variable none columns, in which we type none values.any, and after that data.columns to list. And we can clearly see that the all columns with null values are approx date, resolution, and up to related. So many columns. First, renaming the numerous column for easy understanding. For this, we have to type data.rename, in which columns are I year to I year, I month to month, and up to n wound to wound. And we will take only those columns in the consideration which are necessary for our analysis, and those columns are year, month, day, country, state, region, up to motive. And here is the count of the value of each columns. But the notable thing is that not all the columns have same values 18,1691, like the motive column or kill column. Maybe they consist none values or a null values. So check for again null values. Data.isNull.sum. The year have 0, month 0, day 0, state have 421, city have 434, and up to motive has 30,1130. we found that here some null values are present but fewer than above table, and the missing percentage is 23%, 2.50%, 72%. And heat map to visualize the null value presence. For this we type plt.figure, we set the figure size to 6,5, plt. and sns.heatmap data.isNull for the null values, ytix label false and cbar false, cmap is viridis, and we can see that the heat map, and we conclude that the columns with null values are state, city, latitude, longitude, kill, wound, summary and motive. Most null values are present in summary and motive. Which is also not needed in our EDA. So we will drop these columns. Longitude and latitude are of no use in our analysis, so we'll remove them also. Filling 0 where the null values. So data wound equals to data wound dot fill n is 0. Same is in a kill, and for kill casualties we add those upper columns wound and kill. And now filling unknowns where there is a null value in state and city columns. And now our data set will look like this. But there is also a null value present in motive column and summary column because we didn't drop them yet. Now drop all columns with null values. Data.drop na x is equals to 1, in place equals to true. Data.head, and here you can see that there is no column called summary or motives. Now it's look better and complete. And now the next step is data visualization. The country wise attack. On a bar plot we can clearly see that the Iraq has the highest number of attacks. After that Pakistan, then Afghanistan, then India, then Colombia, and the least is Egypt. Month wise attack in fifth month. Number of attacks over different regions. For this we use the pd.crosstab. Number of attack, year, and here is our chart statistics. And number of attacks over different cities are Bangladesh, Karachi, Misol, Istanbul. Now for the attack organizations attacked over different cities, which are Taliban, then ISIL, and up to so many, and in the last is AQAP. And number of kills by each terrorist organization in each country is the highest is by Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant. Country is Iraq, kill is 31,058. Number of deaths over year. Here you can see the chart. Number of people killed with the type of attack. Highest with the armed assault, and then second highest is bombing explosion. And total number of person killed by terror attack per country, which is the which you can use or show this by using the pivot table. For this we have to type data.pivot table, columns country, values kill, and aggregate function is sum, and you can see the result. Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Angola, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Azerbaijan, Bahamas, and Bahrain. And the result is country with most attack is Iraq, city with the most attack is Baghdad, region with the most attack is Middle East and North Africa, year with the most attack and most people killed is 2014, month with the most attack May, group with the most attack is Taliban. Most of the attack were not even recognized by any group. Most attack types are bombing explosion, and salt also